Hi guys, Ron. Tech Tips, Tech Stuff. How's it going? I have some interesting news about Vegas Movie Studio 17. I was chatting with Magix, and their release date is going to be end of April 2020. And the reason I like Movie Studio so much, when I first got into YouTube 10 years ago, that was the first editor I used, was Movie Studio. So there's a special place in my heart for a Movie Studio, and that's why I'm giving you this information about Movie Studio. So as soon as the program becomes available, I'll be downloading it, installing it, and I'll do a walkthrough video on the new features. I'm really excited to see what features are going to be in Movie Studio 17. And I used Movie Studio 17 for, I'm not sure, 3 years. Then I went to Sony Vegas 13 Pro. And I'm currently running Vegas Vegas 16 Pro. I didn't go to 17. I went to 17 briefly. I had to return it, just crashing too many times. So I'm going to stick with Vegas Pro 16. That's all. I'm not going up to 17 at all. But I will be getting version 17 of the Platinum series and the Suite series of Movie Studio. So once that becomes available, I'll let you guys know with a video on doing a walkthrough and showing the new features of the program. I'm really excited to see what's in the new program that's going to be coming out. Probably similar to what's in Vegas Pro 17 as well, it's going to be. So once that's released, I'll do a video and I'll walk you through it and show you what's involved in it. Some people give Vegas Movie Studio a bad rap. It's actually a very good piece of software. The only thing different is the compositing modes. You don't have all the compositing modes that you have in Vegas Pro. That's basically the only difference. But you can do still almost any kind of special effect you want in Movie Studio. So there's nothing wrong with that program at all. So once I get some information on an actual release date, like I said, as soon as it comes available, I'm going to be downloading it, installing it, and doing a walkthrough video. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.